Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. So to solve this problem we are going to see together few solutions that may help you to resolve this problem. So the first thing that you should do is to check if the internet is down for every device connected to the same router that you are connected to. So to do that, you have to go to settings and after that go to WLAN and be sure that the other devices that you are using to check the internet with them are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if the internet is working on the other devices but not working on your own devices, that means the problem is with your device. But if the internet is not working on all the devices connected to the same router, that means the problem is with the router. So the second solution that you can try is to restart the router. So try to unplug the router and leave it closed for about 1 or 2 minutes, and after that turn it back on, leave it for 1 minute to open like fully, and after that try to connect to it again, and sometimes that may solve your problem. The next solution that you can try is to forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect to it again, because sometimes if you are connected to 2 routers or more who have like the same name, this may make your phone sometimes confused, and in that case internet will not work properly for you. So you have to enter to WLAN. After that click on the I next to the Wi-Fi name, and after that click on forget this network, and after that connect again to it. That means you have to enter the password of the router or the Wi-Fi password again. The next solution is that if you are using any VPN, you have to go and turn it off, because sometimes VPNs, especially if you are using low quality VPNs, so those VPNs may not let your internet work properly and may cause some problems when you are trying to use the internet or connect to Wi-Fi. Another thing that you can do is to simply restart your phone and leave it closed for 2 or 3 minutes, and after that try to connect to Wi-Fi again, and usually also this may solve the problem in some cases, because this will refresh the phone's IP address and network connection. And the last thing that you can do is, of course, if the problem is with your phone, not with the router, you can reset the network settings if only the problem is with your phone, like I said. And to do that you have to go to settings, and after that go to general and scroll down until you'll find transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. After that click on reset and choose the second option, reset network settings. This will not delete, if you just select reset network settings, this will not delete any picture or video on your phone. It will only disconnect you from all the devices that you was connected to, and you have to connect to them again. So in other words, this will refresh the network settings on your iPhone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.